Make it a strong one, we're gonna have some fun tonight. I wanna be a castaway.
Hey guys, Adrienne here. I'm out here in the South Platte River trying to catch my first fish in a stream, and my rod is falling apart, and but life is all about attitude, right? And I'm standing here thinking about how life is 10% what happens to us and 90% how we respond to it. And I am in the beautiful outdoors. I could be totally upset that my rod is falling apart, but I still at least have one screw intact. I hope to catch a fish, but if not, I'm just happy to be alive. Oops. We will still persevere. We will do it. Yes. Hey, can I borrow your rod?
Absolutely.
Yes. Here we go.
Pour me another one. Make it a strong one. We're gonna have some fun tonight.
For a little while I'll be a castaway, gonna let the sun shine in.
Just like the other one. Make it a double run. We're gonna cast away tonight.
For a little while I'll be a castaway, gonna let the sun shine in.